Hello everyone. Today I'm going to unbox um, robot vacuum cleaner. The name of the robot cleaner is Deenkee robot vacuum cleaner. So it was originally 400 CAD Canadian dollar, but I got a sale of $110, so I bought it for $290. So this is the first time I am buying a robot cleaner, so I don't know how it will work. Like, I have to check it by myself. They are saying that it's 3-in-1, like it's clean, it's sweeping, mopping and vacuuming. So let's see how it goes. Inside it's a nice box. It's a bit heavy. So it's robotic vacuum cleaner Deenkee. They said that after charging it will work for 2 hours because the battery is 2600 milliampere. It's the manual. I think it's the mopping part. Yeah, there is a chamber for water. I think it's a mopping part. This is the mopper. There is another extra here. This is the main cleaner. It's heavy. And you can see the sweepers here. There are 4 sweepers. These will sweep. And this is the charger. This is the charger. Charging cable. is cleaner because they have the blade also here. If something happens, I think you can use it. Can you see it? Yeah, there's a blade here. So this is the main robot. So shiny, and they have given an app to control this. There is the sweeper and vacuum cleaner. So I think I have to charge it first, and then I have to use it to see if this is good or bad. I am a lazy person, so hope now my home will be cleaner than previous. So I will show you after charging it. I will show you how it works. I forgot to show you something, that with the manual they gave some other things like important tips, and also how to install, and thank you card, and also I'd like to show you the mopper chamber. This is the mopper chamber. You have to give water here. Yeah, this is the water tank. This is the nice mopper, and also I'd like to show you that I put the brush here, one brush here, and it's very easy to install these brushes. And I also want to show you this is the dustbin here. All the dust will be here, and they also put a filter here. It's a nice filter. They also gave one extra filter here. Everything is nice, but the only thing I'm facing trouble is with the charger. Like they're saying that I have to put here, but I have to open this. But I tried to open this. It's not opening easily. I'm not sure. I have to ask my husband for this. I don't have that much strength to open this. But I will try to charge it now and see what happens next. So I charged it for 4 hours, and I already cleaned my one room, and I think it worked very good. Let me show you. Like this is the app they gave, the Deenkee app. I think you can see the charge is 100% right now. So if I start from here, like can you see this? Yeah, this is the start clean. So if I press the start clean button, I can pause. So you can see that it's cleaning very nicely. Let me show you the tray after cleaning one room, my living room. So a lot of dusts. And again I will start it. So thank you all. I hope it helped you to see how it works. Though I didn't try the mop yet, I expect that it will work good. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you all. Have a good day. Bye.